முதுமுயற்சிவர் சேனலில் உங்களை வரவேற்கிறேன். இப்போ நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம்னா டெய்லி கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் பார்க்க போகிறோம். March 14 and 15. உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் டெய்லியும் தயவுசெய்து ஃபாலோ பண்ணுங்கள். அப்போ தான் உங்களுக்கு கடைசி டைமில் ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக இருக்கும், எந்த எக்ஸாமுக்கும் யூஸ் ஆகும். வாங்க பார்க்கலாம். Question number 1. Which organization conducted the final test of air independent propulsion used in submarines? DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. Second one, SMS scrubbing, which was making news recently, is released to which organization? TRAI, Telecom Authority of India. Third one, which state government is to set up district investment promotions agencies in 30 districts? Odisha. District Investment Promotion Agency, Odisha. Which telescope is being manufactured in collaboration between NASA, ESA and CSA as a successor of Hubble telescope? James Webb Space Telescope. Fifth one, National Cybercrime Reporting Portal is being operated by which Union Minister? Minister of Home Affairs. National Cybercrime Reporting Portal, Minister of Home Affairs. Sixth one, what is the name of all women art exhibitions integrated by the Minister of Culture and Tourism? Akshaya Patra. Seventh one, which institution along with Rocky Mountain Institute, India released a report mobilizing electric vehicle financing in India? Niti Aayog. Eighth one, who has been appointed as the captain of the West Indies Test team in place of Johnson Holder? Craig Brathwaite. Ninth one, which state government has ordered the removal of all roadside religious structures? Uttar Pradesh. Tenth one, which country has developed the world's most powerful supercomputer? Fukago, Japan. World most powerful supercomputer, Fukago, Japan. Who became the India's first woman cricketer to score 10,000 runs in international cricket? Mithali Raj. First woman cricketer to score 10,000 runs, Mithali Raj. 12th one, central government has increased the FDI limit in the insurance sector by what percent? 74%. 13th, who has been appointed as the executive director of UCO Bank? UCO Bank or executive director Ishraq Ali Khan. 14th one, which Marathi writer refused to accept the Sahitya Academy Award? Nanda Khare. 15th one, which Indian institution was awarded the King Bhumipal Birdsoil Day 2020 award? ICR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research. 16th, which bank has been recently pulled out from the PCA framework by the RBI, IDBI Bank? 17th, central government has launched which mobile app for One Nation, One Ration card system? Mira Rations. Central government has launched which mobile app? One Nation, One Ration card system வந்து Mira Ration. 18th, which department has launched online 5G certification courses for its officials? Department of Telecommunications. 19th, what is the name of the Health Reserve Fund from the process of Health and Education cess? Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Nidhi. Which Indian naval ship has participated in the National Day celebrations of Mauritius? INS Shardul. 21st, who has been appointed as the Chief of Asset Reconstruction Company India Limited? Pallava Mohapatra. Chief of Asset Reconstruction Company India Limited, Pallava Mohapatra. 22nd, important question, what is the name given to the proposed celebrations marking 75 years of Indian independence? Amrit Mahotsav. 23rd, which Indian personality has been appointed as the chairman of the panel of external auditors of the United Nations? Krish Chandra Murmu. Chairman of the panel of external auditors of the United Nations, Krish Chandra Murmu. 24th, what is the name of the third Scorpion class submarine that has been inducted into the Indian Navy recently? INS Karanj. 25th, India's first dedicated express cargo terminal has launched by which international airport? Kempegowda International Airport in Bangalore. 26th, India's first centralized AC railway terminal will function soon in which city? Bangalore. 28. Which organization has launched sounding rocket RH-560 to study attitudinal variations? ISRO. Indian Space Research Organization. 28. The Union Cabinet approved the Prime Minister Health Protection Fund under which section? 136B. உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். ஈவன் நீங்கள் நோட்ஸ் எடுத்துக்கிட்டு ரிட்டன் எழுதிங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு இன்னும் ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். நீங்கள் பிரிண்ட் எடுக்கணும்னு அவசியம் கிடையாது. திரும்ப வாசிக்கும் போது அந்த நோட்டை ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு 5 மினிட்ஸ் ரிவிஷன் பண்ணாலே உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் பார்க்கலாம். தேங்க்யூ.